In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your address on Etoro. So in order to change your address on Etoro, you'll have to make sure to log in into your account. First of all, you have to contact the Etoro support team or request for it. Unfortunately, the information once you've provided cannot be changed. However, you can request to close your current account and open a new one with a new username and a different email address or the address as well. And along with that, you'll lose all of your trading histories and statistic by doing so. So you'll need to build your profile from the start. Provide a requested identification document. So basically, if you want to change your address or any sort of changes in your account, you have to contact the support team or submit a ticket. Only then you'll be able to do it. So this is a very lengthy process. However, you can give it a try. So open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in support.etoro.com. Take you to the support centerpiece, and from here you have to go and select the reason or the platform for contacting the support team, and after that you can state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. So that's basically how you can make changes with your Etoro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.